Have you ever watched a movie or read a story and thought about what it really means? That's called interpretation. Let's learn what it's all about. Interpretation. Can you say it with me? Interpretation. Let's spell it together. Ready? I-N-T-E-R-P-R-E-T-A-T-I-O-N. That spells interpretation. Interpretation means the act of explaining the meaning of something. It's how we understand art, stories, music, or even ideas in our own way. Here are some words that mean the same as interpretation. Say them with me. Explanation, like describing what something means in your own words. Understanding, like showing that you truly get the message behind something. Analysis, like breaking something down to see how it works. Viewpoint, like sharing your personal opinion or perspective. Reading, like expressing how you see or feel about something written or said. Each one reminds us that interpretation is about finding and sharing meaning. Now let's look at the opposites of interpretation. Misinterpretation, like explaining something the wrong way. Confusion, like not being sure what something means. Ambiguity, like when something can mean too many different things. Misreading, like misunderstanding what's really being said. Distortion, like twisting the meaning until it's no longer true. Those can happen when we don't take the time to really think about meaning. Here's a great example. Sofia gave her interpretation of the poem by acting it out with hand motions. Let's review. Interpretation means the act of explaining the meaning of something. Synonyms include explanation, understanding, analysis, viewpoint, reading. Antonyms include misinterpretation, confusion, ambiguity, misreading, distortion. Interpretation gives your voice meaning, sharing your view makes the world richer. Interpretation gives your voice meaning, sharing your view makes the world richer. Every person sees things in their own way, and that's what makes learning exciting. See you next time for another Word Up with Sofia.